When CO2 gas, carbon dioxide gas is passed over the red hot coke and it is partially got reduced to carbon monoxide. Upon using 0.5 liters of carbon dioxide over the red hot coke, the total final pressure increased from 500 to 700 ml. Then you are asked to calculate the composition of CO as well as CO2 present at the conditions. Whereas here there is red hot coke. This red hot coke is allowed to react with carbon dioxide. Red hot coke is carbon. It is red hot implies what? It is very hot, red hot coke. So it can easily react with the carbon dioxide. Here the oxidation number of carbon dioxide is +4. Due to making reaction with this, some amount of carbon combines with the oxygen and it got reduced to carbon monoxide. But it is not 100%. Some amount of carbon dioxide is converted to some amount of carbon monoxide. Whereas here 500 ml of liter 500 ml of carbon dioxide is used initially. Finally, we got the total pressure as 700. Then you were asked to calculate the composition of carbon monoxide as well as carbon dioxide present in the mixture conditions. So this is a solid compound. It doesn't offer any kind of pressure. This is a gas and this is also gas. Whereas if I write this stoichiometric equation, here two oxygens are converted to two carbon monoxide molecules. In the beginning, this is 500 ml. There is no amount of carbon monoxide formed. Whereas after for certain amount of time, if we wait, then this is converted to 500 minus x and this will becomes equal to what? 2x. Therefore, at the reaction mixture, the composition of carbon monoxide and the carbon dioxide, both combination offers the pressure of 700. So therefore, this is 500 minus x plus 2x, which will becomes equal to 500 plus x will becomes equal to 700. Then x will becomes how much? Now x is equal to 200 ml. So therefore, the composition at the final conditions for the amounts of carbon dioxide and the carbon monoxide, this is 500 minus x. 500 minus 200 is equal to 300 ml of carbon dioxide is there, and here 200 into 200, that is 400 ml of carbon monoxide is present at the reaction conditions.